clause is concerned to one of the application of work power energy, work basic definition, work done equal to F bar dot S bar, that is F bar dot S bar, Fs cos theta, now that is equal to positive when theta is acute angle, theta is obtuse angle negative, theta is acute angle positive, theta is obtuse angle negative, work done 0 when theta is 90. This all knows to us. Sir, most of the students, the feeling is like this, work power energy is one of the easiest topic. Yes, but I want to twist the topic based on this, like this, sir. This is a string fixed like this. A metallic ring of mass M, metallic ring of mass M attached like this, that can move horizontally. This is a fixed support. Through that pulley is arranged. Now like this, block capital M is attached to it. Right. The question is like this. What is the maximum velocity acquired by the ring? What is the maximum velocity acquired by the ring during the motion of capital M? Sir, here we have to think about like this. That is, work done by all the forces is equal to change in kinetic energy. That is, work done by gravity plus work done by normal force plus work done by tension is equal to change in kinetic energy. Still I am saying with you, sir, application of F bar dot S bar only. First of all, I am thinking about normal reaction. This is normal reaction. How the ring can move? Horizontal, and the distance is given is B. Horizontal. Force and displacement are perpendicular. So work done by normal reaction is 0. N into S cos 90, 0. Right. Next, work done by tension. Work done by tension is equal to force into displacement. The component of tension here, sir, T into ds cos theta, or you can say like this, T cos theta, T sin theta. T sin theta anyhow it is going to be 0. And next, sir, the tension of lower block, if it is displaced by ds, this also like this, minus T into ds 2. This is 1 and this is 2. Right. T common term, ds cos theta minus ds2. From constraint relation, I think so you can understand ds2 equal to ds cos theta. So then this gets cancelled. Work done by tension also 0. Then what left? Work done by normal reaction 0. Work done by tension 0. Then I am getting, sir, work done by gravity. Work done by gravity on the ring mg downwards, because of small m, sir, 0, cos 90 0, because force and displacements are perpendicular. Sir, the ring velocity becomes maximum when the string becomes vertical, then velocity becomes maximum. Then what about displacement of capital M? Capital M displacement mg into height. That height is how much? This is sin theta. Sin theta if I take from the triangle B by L, L equal to B cosecant theta. L is equal to B cosecant theta. This is B cosecant theta, this is B side. So now displacement capital M into G, H I think so you can understand. B cosecant theta minus B. Both force and displacements are same direction. Displacement, force, gravity are in the same direction, then it is mg into, if I bring it outside like this, look at it, mg into B, common term, mgb into cosecant theta minus 1. That is work done by gravity. So this work done by gravity equal to change in kinetic energy. Small m, beginning 0, initial kinetic energy 0, k initial 0, kf only I am having. So that is mgb into cosecant theta minus 1 is equal to half into small m into k square, small m kinetic energy of ring. You may get it out like this: kinetic energy of block. Block is becoming vertical, inextinguishable state. Block kinetic energy becomes 0. Ring kinetic energy only present. Then velocity is equal to root over 2 into, I think so you can understand, it's big, not a big calculation. 2 capital M GB into cosecant theta minus 1 by small m is the velocity known as maximum velocity acquired by the ring. So that it is conclusion of maximum velocity.